Welcome to another quick review and unboxing and installation from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to look at some wall sconces made by G. Safeva. Alright guys, so what makes these special? First of all, they're a fully rechargeable system that you're not going to have to buy batteries for. You're going to charge them up, and when they run down, you just simply recharge them. They also are going to have a lot of different color variations. They work for music, they work around TV sets, they work down hallways, bedrooms, I mean just about everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and open it up, see what you get in the box, see how hard it is to assemble it real quick. We're going to install it, and then we're going to check out the remote real fast and see how that actually works, because you're going to get a remote for each unit. So you can actually separate these if you want, and put one by one bed and put one by another bed. You can, spread them out. So that's pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and let's see what's actually in the box. Okay, so let's open it up and let's see what you get. Now I've already cut the tape, so it makes it pretty easy. The very first thing you're going to see is a sheet of paper, which basically has your written instructions and gives you the actual instructions for working the remote, which we'll take a closer look at here in a second. So we're going to set that aside. Here is your actual hardware kit. They even give you the little anchors, so if you're anchoring into sheetrock, that makes it really nice. There's your wing nuts. There's your metal little washers, which are going to help hold the sconce together. So next on our list, you're going to have your charging cables, which are going to simply be USB-A to, it looks like, USB-C. So you're going to have two of those, one for each one. Here is all of your metal pieces that we are going to put together here in just a second. Lift up this foam right here and let's see what we get inside. And there's the actual units themselves. Alright, so there's the remote inside of that one. Pretty nice little remote. And there is your wall plate right there with the piece in it, which will actually mount to the wall. And this is the actual lamp unit itself. And to be honest with you, it's a little heavier duty made than I first gave it credit for. Alright, same thing. This is just going to be a repeat. So what we're going to do now, and that's it, is we are going to see how hard it is to put this together. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like put together. They're going to give you the instructions, and in the top of the instructions is a simple little diagram that tells you step by step how to put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one together real quick just so that you can see how fast it is. This is going to be the mounting plate that mounts to the wall, and then you're going to have the two gold screws which you're going to put through it, which is going to mount this plate, which will hold the actual lamp. So the very first thing you're going to have to do, obviously, is remove those screws so that you can take that out. Just like that, and just like that. So after you get that out, set it aside, and you are going to take the mounting plate here, and you are going to simply take this piece, put it inside right here, put on the big washer, and you are going to put on the wing nut. And see if we can get that to start. There we go. And tighten it down. Now I like to take my screws and have them upside straight up and down. You can also do those sideways if you like. Whichever way works for you. Just remember that's the way you're going to mount this on the wall. So we'll go ahead and leave this one sideways for right now. Tighten it down fairly snug. Then we're going to take this piece, put it on the top, because this is the piece that's going to hold the lamp. This is going to be the bottom piece, and you see it's closed off on this end, screws on that end, or threads, I should say, on that end. Tighten it in, and there you go. There's the frame. Now all we do is we take this, and by the way, this is where you're going to charge. You're simply going to take your USB-A side that charges, that plugs into your charger, your USB-C, and it's going to plug in right here and charge the unit. So now we take this and we are simply going to screw that on here. Let me turn it, make sure you guys can see what's happening. And get it all the way nice and snug. There it is. So now the whole unit is assembled. The only thing I need to do is charge it and then go mount this on the wall with screw that's provided. I'll use an anchor if it's into just sheetrock, and I can start working the remote. Okay, I have mounted it in my son's room, and this is the actual charger, and I have a charging port that is already mounted on the back of the nightstand, which makes it fantastic. So I have it charging right now. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. It should have plenty of charge to be able to work. So a couple of things I want to point out. When I was actually installing it, I did leave off one part. When you put on the big washer, be sure you put the locking washer on. If not, it tends to twist. I also had mentioned earlier that you could have these screws straight up and down or sideways. I will tell you there is an advantage to straight up and down if your stud happens to be in the exact right spot. And then that way you do not have to drill another anchor. You can just put them both into the stud. That worked out here perfectly. So I did not have to use the anchors at all. Now, another thing to point out is you do have an on and off switch up here at the top, and it will come on and off by pushing that. If you hold it down, it will go off. All right. Now, the remote, all you have to do is pull the little tab out at the very bottom and it will activate it. So you do not have to put any batteries in this. So you're not going to buy batteries for the remote, and you're not going to buy them for the unit. You get the unit, you've got everything you need to make this thing work. All right. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to try to bring this in a little closer and show you how the actual uh, remote works. And on the music part of it, Amazon does not allow us to play a lot of music. So what I'm going to do is just play a few seconds of one of my intros from my YouTube channel, which I own. So I'll do that to try to give you an idea of how the music function works. So I'm going to pull it in now and let's take a look at the remote. So I dimmed the lights down just a little. And so when you look at this, you look up the top right corner, you have your on and off. So we're going to hit that. It turns it on. And it's automatically going to go to the last function that I was using. You can make it brighter or dimmer here. And you can see the little red light coming on when I do that. I can change to any color. So let's go ahead. Let's just say yellow. There's yellow. Let's do the dimmer. There we go. And we make it dimmer. We make it brighter. So then I can go to this one under here, which is going to be basically flashing colors. This one is going to be kind of like breathing. It goes, high and then low and changes colors. This is your timer key. You hit it once, it's going to give you 30 minutes. You hit it twice, it's going to give you an hour. Now the last one is going to be our music. So I'm going to hit the music and turn on my remote so that you can hear or see what it actually does with the music. So let's try that. I'm going to hit music. It's moving right now, and it's actually operating by my voice. And I'm going to go ahead and hit my YouTube channel. So there you go, guys. Actually, let me go ahead and go back to a solid color so it doesn't drive you guys crazy with it flashing behind me. But really, that's it. The remote control is extremely simple. Mounting it is extremely simple. Putting it together is extremely simple. The entire unit is, well, it's fantastic, to be honest with you. Now, I'm putting one in here, and I'm going to put one in one of my other kids' rooms so they both have one. You get separate remotes. It's easy to separate them and have them in different rooms if you prefer. Now, and one thing you can do on this is if you have a big TV, you can put one on each side. So you can kind of have that ambient light while you're watching TV, and you can set it to the music so it will actually change the colors based on what's going on the TV. That's kind of a cool thing. So, guys, if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because they give you everything you need. You don't have to buy anything, and you can put it together and put it up literally in minutes. So do yourself a favor. If you need a good light, especially ambient light, pick yourself up one set today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.